हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? होपफुली बहुत अच्छे होंगे बेटा आप सब। मैं भी अच्छा हूँ। देखिए, मैंने आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में अबाउट बेसिस बताया था कि बेस क्या होते हैं। अब मैं उसी में उसकी कुछ जनरल करेक्टरिस्टिक्स डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ। प्लीज़ ध्यान दीजिए। आपको बताया गया था कि जो बेस होते हैं, these are those substances which give OH minus ions in their aqueous solutions. बट कुछ जनरल करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, जैसे जितने भी बेस होते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर बिटर इन टेस्ट। बिटर समझते हो? दे हैव स्लिपरी सोपी टच लाइक अ सोप्स। ये स्लिपरी होते हैं। अगर आप इनको लिटमस से पास करो देन दे टर्न रेड लिटमस टू ब्लू, यू नो। एंड देन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट phenolphthalein, phenolphthalein is an indicator. This is the acidic indicator. Phenolphthalein itself has no color in its aqueous solution. When we add base in it, it turns to pink due to ionization. Actually, phenolphthalein can be represented as, this is the acidic, weak acid hota hai beta, and it is colorless itself. But when you add some base in it, it gets ionized, and when it ionized to form ions, and this ionized form pH, HPH is the general formula of the phenolphthalein. It's a pink color. So when the medium becomes basic, then the color of the solution gets pink. इसके अलावा these are corrosive in nature, you know. आपने पढ़ रखा है NaOH, you know it is a caustic soda. Caustic means it burns to the skin. So these are very burning sensation on the skin. Caustic potash, KOH. Caustic potash, burning sensation. ठीक है? And these can neutralize to the acids. This is the general property of all acids and bases. When acid and base react together, when acids plus base reacts together, then always there is the formation of salt and water with the release of large amount of heat. This is an exothermic reaction when acids combine with the base. Basically, what happened when acids, you know, acids have tendency to give H plus ions, bases have tendency to give OH minus ions. That is the neutralization of acid by base and base by the acid. That is why कभी आपको समझा acid के लिए होती है basicity. Acids have basicity, number of H plus ions called basicity because acids can neutralize to the bases. और basis की होती है acidity. That is the base can neutralize to the acids. जब कभी आप ओवर ईटिंग कर जाते हो ना, एसिडिटी हो जाती है पेट में, ठीक है? उसको एसिडिटी क्यों कहते हैं? बिकॉज द जनरल मेडिसिन वी टेक is a base, antacids. We take antacids, ठीक है? That is the base, and bases have general characteristics there as a acidity because base can neutralize to the acids. So basically, neutralization reaction means there is the neutralization of H plus ion and OH minus and the formation of water. This is the basic neutralization reaction. Otherwise, you can write neutralization reactions of number of acid and base. It is an exothermic reaction. Heat release होती है बेटा. मैं आपको यहाँ पे डेटा देता हूँ. -13.6 किलो कैलोरी पर मोल H plus and OH minus ions heat release होती है अगर आपके पास ये strong acid है. Strong acid that means which give easily H plus ions. Strong base which give easily OH minus ions. Then the heat released value is fixed to 13.6, and this heat released is called heat of neutralization. There is a number of reactions of acid base neutralization. आप देखिए, always suppose NaOH get neutralized by H2SO4, take 2, it gives Na2SO4 प्लस वाटर, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन। और बेटा अगर ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे कितने OH न्यूट्रलाइज्ड हुए? 2 OH। यहाँ पे कितने H आपने लेने पड़े, H2SO4 give 2H, basicity of H2SO4 is 2 plus it gives 2H2O। कोई आपसे पूछे इधर कितनी हीट रिलीज होगी, तो ये आपको मैंने एक बता दिया, एनटीएससी टाइप का क्वेश्चन है। When 1H plus neutralized to another OH to give water and heat release is 13.6. When 1H ion neutralized to the 1 OH ions, but here 2 OH neutralized to OH, so the heat released is, ध्यान से देखिए 13.6 into 2, ये डबल हीट रिलीज होगी क्योंकि डबल न्यूट्रलाइजेशन हो रहा है। This is the heat of neutralization. This is the heat of this reaction released per H and OH. But ये भी ध्यान रखना, this is only for a strong acid and a strong base. क्योंकि जो बेटा weak acids होते हैं या weak base होते हैं, those are not completely ionized. उनको ionized करने के लिए भी heat required होती है. Understand? Now, bases reacts with metals. There are some base which can react with metal and release hydrogen. Bases can react with the active metals. याद करिए, like NaOH when treated with zinc metal, you get NaZnO2 plus hydrogen. This is the sodium zincate, release of hydrogen. वैसे आपको बता दूं, जिंक एक ऐसा मेटल है जो किसी बेस के साथ रिएक्ट करने पे भी हाइड्रोजन देता है और किसी एसिड के साथ भी रिएक्ट करने पे हाइड्रोजन देता है। Similarly, when base reacts with aluminium, you get NaAlO2. It's Na2AHZnO2. It also releases hydrogen. So there are some metals which reacts with bases give hydrogen. Conduction of electricity, definitely these are very good conductor. All bases are very good conductor of electricity because in their aqueous solutions they have ions. And ions are very good conductor of electricity in their molten form, in their solution form, because when we apply electricity, electrode potential through the rods within the solutions, then these ions start moving towards cathode and anode. पढ़ रखा होगा आपने, good conductor. Now, reacts with non-metal oxide to form salts and water. बेटा जब non-metal oxides होते हैं, most of non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, like carbon dioxide, like SO2, ठीक है, like NO2, non-metal oxides like Cl2O7. These are non-metal oxides and these are acidic in nature. So when bases reacts with the acids, this is the another case of neutralization. So when CO2 reacts with NaOH, it gives NaHCO3. ठीक है, sometimes if you take 2 moles, you get Na2CO3 plus water. In most of cases, you get salt and water. When reacts with the non-metal oxides, you get salts and water. Otherwise, there is the case of neutralization. When this one reacts with 2 moles, you get Na2SO3 plus water. When you add it here, this is the case of neutralization. This is the case of neutralization. So when non-metal oxides reacts with the bases, this is the another case of neutralization because most of non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So these are the general characteristics of bases. You already studied general characteristics of acids. Now acid and bases general characteristics, their properties, their reactions, their indicator based discussion, both are completed. Now it's a very important part. We have to go through for the pH scale, that is the ionic concentration, ionic strength of the acid and bases. So we will discuss in the next video. ठीक है, till then complete from the book up to characteristics of bases. ये लगभग आधा चैप्टर हो गया, यहाँ तक आप पूरा रिवाइज कर डालिए and then I will send you next video. Okay, thank you.